Hello students, and now we are going to see the first problem in exercise 9.1. Find an approximate value of integral 1 to 1.5 x into dx by applying the left end rule with the partition 1.1, comma 1.2, comma 1.3, comma 1.4, comma 1.5. Okay, so here we need to use the left end rule. Okay, so first let us write the left hand rule. Okay, so the left hand rule is integral a to b f of x dx, that is equal to limit n tends to infinity max. You just write down the formula. Okay, and then we are going to consider the intervals here. Okay, and here the lower limit a, that is denoted by x naught. Okay, x naught is equal to, you have to look at the integration. So what is the lower limit here? 1. Okay, so you just write the lower limit as x naught and the upper limit xn. Okay, xn to be 1.5. We don't know about the value of n. We need to find out. Okay, so here they have splitted the given interval in like this 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, so if x naught is equal to 1, then x1 is to be what? 1.1. Okay, they have splitted. Okay, so and then x2 will be what? 1.2, and then x3 will be what? 1.3, x4 will be 1.4. Okay, so x5 will be 1.5. Okay, so what is the value of n here? So here we have taken xn to be 1.5. So but from this partition we got x5 is equal to 1.5. So from this we can write what? N is equal to 5. Okay, so there are the number of intervals is 5. Okay, and now we need to find the length of each interval. Okay, so the length of each interval, that is denoted by delta x. Okay, delta x can be written as xi minus xi minus 1. This value. Okay, this value we are considering it as delta x. So and here I am going to substitute any value for this I. So let me substitute x1. If I put I is equal to 1, it is x1 minus 1 is 0. So that is equal to, what is x1 here? 1.1 minus 1. So that will give you 0.1. So this is the value of this xi minus 1. Okay, because this is the length for each interval. Okay, if you are taking x0 and x1, you will be getting the length to be 0.1. If you are taking this and this, x1 and x2, you will be getting, because it is splitted in equal length. Okay, the length of subintervals will be same. Okay, so that is why delta x is equal to 0.1. Okay, so now we are going to find the value. So 1 to 1.5 x into dx. Here what is f of x? F of x is equal to x. Okay, so let me write this here. F of x is equal to x, because we got this from the given integration. Okay, f of x is equal to x. Okay, so the formula is summation I is equal to 1 to, what is the value of n? That is 5. Okay, 1 to 5 f of x I minus 1, okay, into delta x. Let me put this as delta x. Okay, delta x value is 0.1. Okay, this is for all the interval. Okay, so now I am going to split this. Okay, if I put I is equal to 1, what will I get? F of x naught. So you write f of x naught first. Okay, and then you put plus. You apply the summation only for this, because delta x is same. Okay, so we'll take it outside. So we'll apply the summation for this f of x alone. Okay, and if you put I is equal to 2, what will you get? 2 minus 1 is 1. So f of x1 plus f of x2, it will be going on f of x2, and then if I put I is equal to 4, this is I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. If you put x is equal to 4, it is x 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, and then if you put I is equal to 5, you will be getting f of x4. So you have to stop with this, okay? You have to stop with this, and then you need to put delta x, okay? Now you need to find the value of f of x naught. Here x naught value is 1. X naught value is 1, so this is, you just substitute the value f of 1 plus x1 value is f of 1.1 plus f of 1.2 plus f of 1.3 plus f of 1.4, okay, into delta x. Delta x value is what? 0.1. So let me substitute 0.1, okay. Therefore integral 1 to 1.5 x into dx, that is equal to, you have to consider the function now, okay. F of x is equal to what? X. So what will be f of 1? So whatever you are having inside the bracket, that is the resulting value, okay. So f of 1 will be what? 1, okay. F of 1.1 will be what? 1.1. So in this way we can write. So it will be what? 1 plus 1.1 plus 1.2 plus 1.3 plus 1.4 into 0.1, okay. So that is equal to, if you just add all these values, you will be getting 6, okay, 6 into 0.1. So the answer is, when you multiply, 0.6, okay. Therefore integral 1 to 1.5 x into dx, the value is 0.6. So this we can get it by the left hand rule. Clear? Thank you.